The first 15 for beginners. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. I'm from France. I'm from France. Guess which one? I am from France. I am from France. This is my friend. Name is Peter. This is my friend. Name is Peter. Guess which one? His. This is my friend. His name is Peter. This is my friend. His name is Peter. "20 desks in the classroom. 20 desks in the classroom. Guess which one? There are 20 desks in the classroom. There are 20 desks in the classroom. 4. Paul Romantic Films. Paul Romantic Films. Guess which one? Paul loves romantic films. Paul loves romantic films. Sorry, I can't talk. Right now. Sorry, I can't talk. Right now. Guess which one? Sorry, I'm driving. Sorry, I can't talk. I'm driving right now. Sorry, I can't talk. I'm driving right now. 6. She at school last week. She at school last week. Guess which one? She wasn't at school last week. She wasn't at school last week. The film last night. The film last night. Guess which one? I liked the film last night. I liked the film last night. 8. Something a piece of cake. No thank you. A piece of cake. No thank you. Guess which one? Would you like a piece of cake? No thank you. Would you like a piece of cake? No thank you. The living room is, then the bedroom. The living room is, then the bedroom. Guess which one? The living room is bigger than the bedroom. The living room is bigger than the bedroom. The car is very old. We're going a new car soon. The car is very old. We're going a new car soon. Guess which one? The car is very old. We're going to buy a new car soon. The car is very old. We're going to buy a new car soon. 11. My brother is artist. My brother is artist. Guess which one? My brother is an artist. My brother is an artist. 12. Mike is, guess which one? Mike is my friend. Mike is my friend. 13. Jane is a vegetarian. She meat. Jane is a vegetarian. She meat. Guess which one? Jane is a vegetarian. She never eats meat. Jane is a vegetarian. She never eats meat. There are 14. There aren't buses late in the evening. There aren't buses late in the evening. Guess which one? There aren't any buses late in the evening. There aren't any buses late in the evening. 15. The car park is to the restaurant. The car park is to the restaurant. Guess which one? The car park is next to the restaurant. The car park is next to the restaurant. How many did you get right? Write your score in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.